Welcome to the Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Each other. This is the Shop I channel. You are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. My brother, how's it?
Like 100.
Good man. What's your take on the game today? What's your take on the game today?
The game was super excellent. I didn't see any trouble because from starting lineup to the game, everything for me 100%.
So do you think going to Esperance you're gonna surprise them again as you surprise them here?
No, I think we should have some a stronger lineup than today because we need more goals to score in order to the next game. Second leg, we can have advantage to win to go to semi-final.
Who was the man of the match today?
According to me, Muda was the man of the match. It was excellent. And Mokwana was nowhere to be found. Everything was sorted 100%.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Yeah, well.